Trusted by government agencies and commercial organizations across the globe, Span World Distribution provides a decontamination solution for many scenarios, including biological, chemical, and viral contaminations. Our commercially available product, MDF 500, is based on the powerful formula used for our military-grade product. Safer than bleach, stronger than household cleaners, MDF 500 is an EPA Registered Disinfectant that is environmentally friendly and used by such organizations as the United States military, commercial remediation organizations, and various hospitals across the globe. MDF 500 doesn't harm any surface, and it's even safe around sensitive electronics. With MDF 500, disinfection is quick, safe, and easy. Some applications include hospitals, veterinary clinics, long-term care facilities, schools, locker rooms, public venues, emergency vehicles, ships and cruise lines, public transportation, remediation, flooded structures, crime scene cleanup, and chemical and biological neutralization. The ULV sprayer can penetrate areas that cannot be reached by conventional disinfectants. The product is safe to use around electronic equipment. It can be used on HVAC equipment and ductwork. It is extremely effective for smoke and all other odors. MDF 500 is a multiple-use product. It is very effective as a carpet cleaner. MDF 500 is also very effective for gray and black water flooding. MDF 500 is inert and odorless once it is dried. MDF 500 is safe and non-toxic, contains no VOCs, and has a high log kill. This patented technology is a topical spray foam which uses a ULV sprayer and is made in the USA. The following personal protective equipment, or PPE, is the minimum recommended to be worn when applying MDF 500. A protective Tyvek suit, chemical goggles, half-face respirator, and chemical-resistant gloves. Additional PPE, such as SCBA and full containment suits, may be required depending on the nature of the contaminant. Standard application equipment includes a ULV fogger, a pump-up foamer, and a pump-up sprayer. To prepare your workspace for general sanitation or ULV fogging, the area should be cleared of people and pets. Make sure to cover plants and items that should not be wetted, such as oil-based paintings. Aquariums and other animal enclosures should be temporarily unplugged and covered with plastic sheeting. AC systems may be turned off to increase dwell time of the MDF 500 fog. MDF 500 is a two-component mixture and is supplied in separate containers marked Part A and Part B. The two components should be mixed in equal ratios. If possible, the components should be mixed in the application container. When utilizing the ULV fogger, the fogger should be adjusted to a fine mist. MDF 500 is a contact killer. Surfaces should be wetted, but not to the point of runoff. Application should begin at the highest point of the target area and should continue downward toward the floor. Efforts should be made to reach all surfaces in the contaminated zone. MDF 500 is completely safe for use around conventional electronic equipment. Care should be taken not to overfog windows and mirrors. If this is done, a light residue may remain and would need to be wiped clean. MDF 500 may be utilized to treat AC and ventilation systems. The application of MDF 500 should not be considered a complete duct cleaning process, but is a useful tool that can be used to effectively treat HVAC systems and improve indoor air quality. For application, the heating and cooling function should be turned off and the system placed into a fan-only mode. Fogging should begin at the return air point of the system. Care should be taken not to overfog the system, which could risk wetting electrical components of the fan. Total time to complete the fogging process may vary depending on the system's size and complexity. Return grills may be removed to allow for fogging the return enclosures. Register vents should, if possible, be removed and cleaned as part of the process. MDF 500 may be utilized in a wide range of situations with various application methods. These include fogging, foaming, and spray applications. MDF 500 may be used for a wide range of remediation activities, including but not limited to mold remediation, crime scene cleanup, blackwater spill treatment, meth lab cleanup, as well as helping fight global epidemics such as bird flu and Ebola. MDF 500 will react with live organisms, causing a dynamic, foaming action. Proper remediation techniques should be utilized per each unique situation. These techniques include proper containment of contaminated area, HEPA vacuuming, and proper disposal of contaminated materials. MDF 500 is an excellent choice to pre-treat contaminated areas prior to the start of remediation. The application possibilities of MDF 500 are virtually limitless, so don't hesitate to contact us with questions or ideas about how to use this problem-solving product in your own unique situation.